Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Rakuten credit card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rakuten.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Rakuten website where you can log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. You can also join if you are not already a member by clicking on the Join Now option. If you wish to cancel your card, don't proceed with the logging in section, but simply scroll all the way down of the website and now underneath the About section, look for Help and simply click on it. This will then take you into the Help menu where you can scroll down underneath Help Topics and then click on Contact Us. Now from the Contact section, underneath the How We Can Help drop-down menu, simply click on it and then select Unsubscribe. You will then be asked to log in to your account. Simply proceed with logging in to your Rakuten account using your email address and your password and then click on the Sign In button after typing in those credentials. Once you sign in, you will be taken through the unsubscribe process for the Rakuten credit card. After following in the process, you will be able to cancel your credit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your Rakuten credit card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.